Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can convert text to song in CapCut. This is also a new feature. Select text, add text, and I'm just going to type "Hello gorgeous girls." Select the checkmark button and select text to speech. Now, there are a few new ones too. There's Jessie, Joey, Chill Girl, and Narration Male. You can either choose from kids vocalist or female vocalist. I'm going to go with female vocalist. Select it and press the checkmark button and wait for it to generate the audio. And there's going to be an audio track once it's done generating to speech. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can convert text to song in CapCut. If I just go back and select audio, the audio will be there. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!